Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in 99 Nights in the Forest. All right, let's begin. First, launch the official game. Make sure you are not inside an active server because codes cannot be redeemed while you are in a match. Stay in the main menu or lobby before attempting to redeem anything. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Add Diamonds icon. This will open the Gems and Purchase menu. Inside that menu, select the Codes button to access the code redemption section. Once you are in the Codes tab, you can either paste a valid code or manually type it into the text box. Make sure the code is entered exactly as shown, including correct spelling and capitalization if required. After entering the code, click the Redeem button to claim your reward. If the code is active, the diamonds or bonuses will be added instantly to your account. Repeat the same steps for any additional active codes. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in 99 Nights in the Forest. That's it for this video. Thanks.